How to respond to would you like a in English using no, I wouldn't like a.
Conversation.
Lesson 10.
Master English Skills 2024.
The explain.
Cup of coffee. Would you like a cup of coffee? No. We wouldn't like a cup of coffee. Exercise. Lemonade. Would you like a lemonade? No. We wouldn't like a lemonade. Telephone. Would you like a telephone? No. We wouldn't like a telephone. Sandwich. Would you like a sandwich? No. We wouldn't like a sandwich. Newspaper. Would you like a newspaper? No. We wouldn't like a newspaper. Map. Would you like a map? No. We wouldn't like a map.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button.